Ever wondered where your money actually goes when you invest with StashAway? I mean, we see the returns, the charts, the projections, but who's holding the reins? Who's the guardian of your hard-earned cash? It's not a question many of us ask, but it's a crucial one. We entrust our financial futures to these platforms, so understanding the underlying infrastructure is paramount. We're talking about custodians, the unsung heroes of the investment world. They're the ones who ensure your assets are safe, secure, and accounted for. Think of them as the vault keepers in a digital age. Without them, the whole system crumbles. Now, let's dive into StashAway specifically. It's a popular digital wealth manager, known for its data-driven investment strategies and ease of use. But who's behind the scenes, ensuring your investments are protected? The answer isn't a single entity. StashAway, like many reputable robo-advisors, utilizes multiple custodians depending on the region and the specific assets being managed. In essence, they partner with established, regulated financial institutions. These institutions act as independent third parties, holding your assets separately from StashAway's own operational funds. This separation is key. It provides an extra layer of security. If, for any reason, StashAway were to face financial difficulties, your assets remained protected with the custodian. They are not considered part of StashAway's bankruptcy estate. For example, you might find that for certain U.S.-traded ETFs, a well-known custodian like DriveWealth is used. In other regions, different custodians might be employed, aligning with local regulations and best practices. It's important to understand that these custodians are heavily regulated entities themselves. They are subject to stringent oversight by financial authorities, ensuring they adhere to strict capital requirements and operational standards. This provides an additional layer of confidence and trust. So, why doesn't StashAway simply hold the assets themselves? Well, that would create a conflict of interest and introduce unnecessary risk. By utilizing independent custodians, they're adhering to industry best practices and prioritizing the security of your investments. It's also important to remember that custodians are not involved in the investment decisions themselves. They are purely responsible for the safekeeping and administration of your assets. They handle tasks like trade settlement, asset reconciliation, and corporate action processing. Therefore, when you invest with StashAway, you're not just relying on their algorithms and investment strategies. You're also benefiting from the security and reliability provided by these established custodians. This understanding is essential for any investor. Knowing that your assets are held by reputable, regulated third parties provides peace of mind and reinforces the importance of due diligence. It's about more than just seeing numbers go up. It's about understanding the foundation upon which your investments are built. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.